In this 3 days workshop, you must have discovered some new things. You must have come across the feeling, oh wow, I have learned this. Now I know this and I can use this with my children. So, my dear friends, the time has come to share your aha moments with everyone. So let's share.
My aha moment was the icebreaker activity, linking the letters of my first name to food items.
My aha moment was when I made an octopus with just a paper cup.
After years, I enjoyed my childhood while making the science toy that was a kite.
Hello, my aha moment was on the very first day when I saw my master trainers bubbling with energy and enthusiasm.
I am empowered with a great lesson plan to have fun with my students.
My aha moment was when I presented my working science toy and everyone just clapped and appreciated that. That was awesome.
Aha! Reliving my student life, getting corrected by our master trainer was the best part.
Aha moment was witnessing making of toys in quick time.
My aha moment was when Reshu ma'am showed the working of a hand pump through a science toy.
My aha moment is innovative science toy making activity.
My aha moment for this workshop, the CBP at which I attended for 3 days, was the unveiling scientific explorations which were done with the science toys.
Moment was that I meet more experienced person than me and I got more information from them. That's very proud moment for me.
Toy making was a unique experience and I will definitely be using this in the classrooms.
The words of motivation and my birthday celebrations.
When I was wishing Navita happy birthday like a kid, I enjoyed.
Aha! Those icebreaker activities, soothing and refreshing. I love them.
Aha moment is when I have spoken, potato is the king of the vegetables.
Oh, my aha moment is when I learned science toys, and that was the best.